Welcome back to my channel Vision of Art. In today's vlog, we are going to see how to make a very basic all-round arrangement using different colors of flowers and foliage. So let's get started. For this you would require a knife, a pair of scissors and an oasis, which is the most important part of a flower arrangement. It's mostly a spongy material which soaks in the water. You may also require containers you could take different types of containers. In today's arrangement, I'm going to use this square white color container. Some basic guidelines. Foliage and the flowers all need to be fresh. Better to have them in a bud condition, so that by the end of the day, they still look fresh and you can still have a shelf life of 3 days. Today's arrangement, I'm using 5 Dutch roses. Along with that, to give a contrast, I would be using these white chrysanthemum. One stalk has at least 5 to 6 flowers. For foliage, I am using kamini leaves. Now these are locally available in India. And I am also using tatis, which is a kind of a dry foliage. Let's get started. So you first select the container of your choice. After that, just place the oasis over it and you get the measure or the size of the container. Accordingly, you could cut the oasis in that size. However, if you look at the container, it's narrow at the bottom. Hence, you need to trim it from all 4 sides so that you get a perfect conical shape at the bottom. Once you get the sizing right, the next step is you need to place the oasis in the water. You just need to put the oasis in the water and slowly and steadily it soaks in the water. So allow the oasis to stay in the water for at least 1 to 2 minutes. It's very important that the oasis completely absorbs the water, because this is the main reason why your arrangement is going to stay fresh for a very long time. Once the oasis is completely soaked in, you get it out and with the help of your hand, press it inside the container. Please remember, never fix the oasis directly inside or till the edge of the container. Let there be a little bit of oasis at least 1 inch above the container. That helps the foliage to fix inside properly. Now we could start fixing in the foliage. Whenever you fix the leaves, which are also called as foliage, or the greens, always remember, place them in a slant direction. They are neither straight, they are neither horizontal. This helps to create an exact image like a natural flower arrangement. Now when you're fixing in leaves, always remember you need to cut it according to the size of the container. So for me, it's an all-round arrangement. I'm not going to increase the length of the foliage too much, something that's good enough to cover the oasis. Now to start with the flowers, always create a focal point. So the first flower in the center and then all the flowers opposite to each other. So I created an angle on one side and now I place the roses on the other 2 sides. That helps me to create an exact all-round symmetry. Now to create a contrast, I'm going to add in this the white color chrysanthemums. So wherever you see a distance between 2 red roses, you will get to see that I have fixed in the white chrysanthemum flowers. They again have a great shelf life. Now what I'm going to use right now is going to be the next foliage. Yes, this is a foliage, this is not a flower. They're called as tatis in our country. Now these are being colored, they generally come in white color. So wherever you have gaps in between, try to fix them up. One ground rule is the foliage or the leaves should never be covering the flowers. So always keep this in mind that your foliage should be below the flowers. But yes, they should not be overpowering too. you're fixing in the foliage. As I said that the ground rule is your oasis should not be seen. You need to add the greenery to the flower arrangement, but at the same time you can't overpower one particular element. So it's important that you rotate the container. It's also important that you pick up the container and see from all angles if the oasis is seen. Second, if your foliage or the flowers are placed in such a way that they look similar when you turn it around, and that's called as a centerpiece or an all-round arrangement. The 5 red roses create a unique symmetry on all 4 sides. The white color gives a nice contrast and breaks the monotony of the red color, whereas the purple color adds on to a different color segment in the flower arrangement. So while you make an arrangement, adjustment of the flowers, fixing in some flowers or foliage is totally up to you. Such all-round arrangements are best suited for a coffee table, a conference table, wherein you want to add some color without creating much of a barrier in a conversation or in a meeting. I hope you liked the video today. Please do hit the like button and do share and subscribe. See you soon in our next vlog. Until then, bye.